every sentence having verbs. Okay, without verbs we cannot express anything. Okay, without verbs we cannot express anything. Verb is the main part of the sentence. Verb is the main part of the sentence. Only knowing the verb we can know the sentence. It occurs in present, past, future. Okay, occurs in present, past, future. Okay, in Hindi we call it as verb as kriya. Kriya means verb. Okay, kriya means verb. Now there are many verbs. There are many verbs in Hindi. So let us see the first 20 important verbs. Important ones. Day to day life we are using the verbs. Day to day life we are using these verbs. Okay, let us see the first one. First one is a. We have to pronounce it as a. Meaning is come. Meaning is come. मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ means I am coming. Means I am coming. A means come. A means come. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can you understand the meaning of a? Okay. The next one is uchal. The next one is uchal. Uchal, pronunciation is uchal. The meaning is jump. The meaning is jump. Okay, the meaning is jump. गाय उछल रही है. गाय उछल रही है means the cow is jumping. The cow is jumping. Okay, गाय उछल रही है means. Okay, you can understand the meaning of uchal also. Then the third one is ut. The third one is ut. We have to pronounce it as ut. The meaning is stand. The meaning is stand. Okay. When the teacher enters the class, all the students are standing. All the students are standing. In Hindi, कब अध्यापक आते हैं, all the लड़के उठे. All the लड़के उठे. उठे means stand. All the लड़के उठे means stand. Okay. When I saw the teacher, I stand. When I saw the teacher, I stand. It is a simple sentence. In Hindi, we can say it as कब मैं अध्यापक को देखी, मैं उठा. अध्यापक को देखी, मैं देखे, मैं उठा. अध्यापक को देखकर लड़के उठे. अध्यापक को देखकर लड़के उठे. Okay. Then the next one is, fourth one is wood. Wood. The pronunciation is wood. The meaning is fly. The meaning is fly. Okay. The birds are flying in the sky. It is a simple sentence. In Hindi, we can say it as चिड़िया. चिड़िया. चिड़िया उड़ रहे हैं. चिड़िया उड़ रहे हैं. Okay. चिड़िया उड़ रहे हैं means birds are flying. Okay. Wood means fly. Okay. There are difference between wood and wood. Wood means here stand. Okay. Wood means here stand. Then here wood means fly. There is a simple difference in this third and fourth one. Okay. There is a simple difference between third and fourth one. Now let us go to the fifth one. Let us go to the fifth one. Uttar. Uttar. Uttar means get down. Uttar means get down. Uttar means get down. गाड़ी से वग उतरा. गाड़ी से वग उतरा means he get down from the train. He get down from the train. गाड़ी से वग उतरा. Okay. Then the sixth one is कर. कर. कर means pronunciation is कर. The meaning is do. The meaning is do. वह क्या काम करता है. वह क्या काम करता है means what work he is doing. What work he is doing. वह क्या काम करता है. काम means doing something work. Okay, actions, work. Then the next one is Seventh one, kah, kah, kah. Pronunciation is kah and the meaning is say. Meaning is say. Kaho na, kaho na, bolo na, pucho na. All are the same. Okay, all are the same. The meaning is also say. Kaho na, kaho, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? Say what do you want? Okay, say what do you want? कहो तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? आपको क्या चाहिए? कहो, कहिए. Okay, कहिए means say. Then the eighth one. Eighth one is cut. Cut. The eighth one is cut. Cut means cut. Okay, cut means cut. Cut means cut. Okay. Here we can say तरकारियाँ काट रहे हैं. Okay, सब्जियाँ, तरकारियाँ काट रहे हैं. They are cutting the vegetables. Okay, vegetables means cutting the vegetables. Okay, then we can go to the next one, khareed. Next one, khareed. The pronunciation is khareed. The meaning is buy. The meaning is buy. मैं एक साड़ी खरीदी. मैं एक साड़ी खरीदी means I bought a saree. I bought a saree. मैं एक साड़ी खरीदी means I bought a saree. Okay. Then the next one is 10th one. 10th one is very important. All you know. 10th one is very important. That is eat. All are fond of eating. You know. Children are fond of eating chocolates, biscuits, etc. etc. Okay. Noodles, parota. Okay. The verb for eat is ka. The verb for eat is ka. मैं रोटी खा रहा हूँ. Okay. मैं रोटी खा रहा हूँ means I am eating roti. Okay. I am eating roti. I am eating chapatis. Okay. Ka means eat. Okay. Likewise we can say children are eating chocolates. Okay. Children are eating chocolate means बच्चे chocolate खा रहे हैं. Okay. बच्चे chocolates खा रहे हैं. These are all the 10 verbs. Okay, 10 verbs. We daily using these verbs in our day-to-day life. Then we can go to the next one. We can go to the next one. The next one, 11th one is kinch. Okay, the pronunciation is kinch. The meaning is pull. The meaning is pull. Okay, pull down. Okay, गाड़ी, घोड़ा गाड़ी खींच रहा है. The horse is pulling the cart. Okay, the horse is pulling the cart. Kinch means pulling. Then the next one is ko. Ko means lose. Ko means lose. Losing anything. बच्चा उसका कलम खो गया. खो गया means he loses his pen. He lost his pen. Okay, likewise we have to say for lose we have to say it as ko. Okay, next one, gin. Gin means counting. Gin means counting. Counting the paces, counting the chocolates, anything else. Okay, बैंक में क्लर्क. बैंक में क्लर्क पैसों को गिन रहे हैं. Okay, in bank clerks are counting the rupees. When we gave to them, they are counting the rupees for ourselves and giving them to us. Okay, for that purpose they are counting. So gin is for counting. Okay, then the next one is ga. Ga means sing. Ga means sing. You can understand. Ga means sing. Okay, लड़का गा रहे हैं. लड़का गा रहे हैं means boys are singing. Boys are singing. Okay, in famous in cine fields we can say Chitrama, Mano sir, anything else, Janagi madam. Okay, Janagi madam is famous for singing in cine field. Okay, she sings in every language. She sings sweetly. Okay, Janagi madam. We can say that Janagi ma'am Gana ga rahi hai. Okay, Janagi madam Gana ga rahi hai. Okay, means Janagi is singing the song. Gana ga rahi hai. It is a continuous sense. That only I am putting rahi. These are also we have to know. Then the fifth one is gir. Gir means fall, falling down, falling down. My grandfather fell down from the chair, fell down from the chair. In Hindi, we can say it as Mary Dada chair se gir gaye. Gir gaye means he fell down from the chair. Okay, gir gaye. Next, the 16th one is gabar. Gabar. The pronunciation is gabar. The meaning is fear. The meaning is fear. Okay, my mosquito से घबरा हूँ. मैं बाघ से घबरा हूँ. बाघ means tiger. Okay, मैं बाघ से घबरा हूँ. Gabar means fear. Next one is 17th one, घूमना. घूमना. Pronunciation is घूमना. Then meaning is roaming. Meaning is roaming. In my childhood days, I roamed from the streets, bazaars and also. Okay, we can say it in Hindi as मैं बाजार घूम रहा हूँ. बाजार घूम रहा हूँ. I am roaming the bazaar. I am roaming through the bazaar. Then the 18th one. Now we gone to the all the things. Now we ended that. Then we are going to that 18th one. Chak means taste. Okay, chak means taste. बादाम हलवा बहुत मीठा है. बादाम हलवा बहुत मीठा है. मैं उसे चख रहा हूँ. चख रहा हूँ. I am tasting. Okay, I am tasting that halwa. चख रहा हूँ means taste. Taste of the badam halwa. Okay, taste of the badam halwa. Then the 19th one is chad. 19th one is chad. Chad means climb. Pronunciation is chad. Meaning is climb. Meaning is climb. Okay, monkeys climbing the trees. We all know monkeys will climb the tree. In Hindi, we can say that bandar. Okay, monkey is known as bandar. Bandar पेड़ चढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, पेड़ means tree. पेड़ means tree. बंदर पेड़ चढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, monkeys are climbing the trees. For that we have to use chad. Then the 20th one, the last one, last but not least. Okay, last one. Jaba. Jaba means chew. Jaba means chew. Chew. Chew means swallowing. Swallowing the food in the mouth. Okay, swallowing the food in the mouth, around your mouth, not swallowing. Here, jaba. Jaba means chew. Chew. Okay, बच्चे चॉकलेट को चू रहे हैं. बच्चे चॉकलेट को चू रहे हैं. That is, बच्चे चॉकलेट को जबा रहे हैं. Okay, children chewing the chocolates. Children chewing the chocolate. In Hindi, we can say it as लड़के और बच्चे चॉकलेट जबा रहे हैं. जबा रहे हैं. In these meanings, we all know about the actions. What are the persons they are doing? What are the persons they are doing? Only the actions, we can say it is a verb. Only with that action, we can say it as verb. I will give. I told you all the examples for this sentence. Okay. I hope you understand. Clear.